Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Lovia Glucose Test Strips is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone managing diabetes, offering a reliable and convenient way to monitor blood sugar levels right at home, ensuring you stay informed and in control of your health with every test. Number 5. CareTouch 30-gauge Diabetic Lancets, 200 count. Introducing our pack of 200 multicolored Lancets. They are designed for easy organization and quick identification, making your glucose testing routine more convenient. Experience a more comfortable testing process with our tri-beveled tip. The triple sharpened needle is designed to minimize skin trauma for smoother punctures. Your safety is our priority. Each Lancet is gamma sterilized, ensuring reliable quality and clean, single-use performance for your daily testing needs. These Lancets are designed to fit most lancing devices, including generic for microlet. You can rely on a secure attachment and smooth puncture every time. Designed for single use only, these 30-gauge Lancets help ensure consistency and accuracy. They are perfect for both finger and alternate site testing applications. What we like? These Lancets come in a convenient color-coded pack of 200, making organization a breeze. Their tri-beveled tip ensures a smoother, less painful puncture. If you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-manage supply of sterile Lancets that fit most devices, these are a great choice for your daily testing routine. What people say. They're sharp and consistent, which makes testing quick and as comfortable as it can be. I haven't had any issues with bending or dull tips, and the quality feels dependable. Solid quality, easy to use, and something I buy a lot. The Lancets match the description and depictions in the product details. The quality of the Lancets is excellent. Number 4. Ascensia Contour Next Blood Glucose Test Strips. Achieve accurate blood sugar readings with ease. These test strips are designed for reliable results every time. Forget the hassle of coding. Simply insert a strip and test, making your monitoring process simpler. Don't worry about applying too little blood. Our innovative sampling allows you to add more blood within a short window, saving you time and strips. These strips work seamlessly with all Contour Next meters. Enjoy a consistent and reliable testing experience. Take control of your diabetes management with these convenient test strips. They offer a straightforward way to monitor your blood sugar levels. This pack contains 70 test strips, providing you with an ample supply for your regular testing needs. What we like? Experience hassle-free blood glucose testing with these strips that require no coding and offer second-chance sampling. This means less waste and more accurate readings. If you value simplicity and precision in your diabetes management, and want to avoid retesting due to insufficient blood sample, these are ideal for you. What people say. They have been reliable with only a few times of them not reading correctly. Well made and reliable. Works with a small blood sample, second chance if you don't get enough blood, seems to be very accurate. The accuracy is excellent and consistent, which gives real peace of mind when managing blood sugar levels. I really appreciate the no-coding feature. It makes testing quick, simple, and hassle-free. The strips require only a small blood sample and deliver fast results, which is very convenient for daily use. Number 3. Metene TD 4116 Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the Metene TD 4116, an advanced glucometer kit designed for accurate and reliable blood sugar control. It comes with a control solution to ensure your meter and strips are always performing optimally. This blood glucose monitor is incredibly easy to use with its code-free design. Simply insert a strip, and it's ready for testing. A quick guide is included to walk you through the process. Get your blood glucose reading in just 7 seconds with only 0.7 microliters of blood. This fast and efficient testing minimizes discomfort and makes monitoring less painful. Track your health more effectively with 4 distinct modes that record glucose values over time. With storage for 450 readings and various average calculations, it provides a clearer picture of your glucose trends. Designed with the elderly in mind, it features 4 reminder alarms to help you test on time. The large, clear display makes results easy to read, simplifying diabetes management. What we like? This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for blood glucose monitoring, including a glucometer, strips, and Lancets. It's designed for ease of use with a no-coding feature and a large, clear display. If you are new to managing diabetes or prefer an all-in-one, user-friendly solution with clear readings, this kit is a fantastic starting point. What people say. The strips are easy to use and provide accurate readings. I appreciate the fast results I get with these strips. The packaging is convenient for storage and portability. Number 2. Metene TD 4116 Blood Glucose Test Strips. Ensure accurate blood sugar readings with our high-quality test strips. Designed for precision, they help you manage your diabetes effectively. Get a generous supply of 100 test strips in each pack. This provides excellent value and convenience for your regular monitoring needs. These strips are engineered for exclusive use with the Metene TD 4116 and Metene S blood glucose monitoring systems. This ensures optimal performance and reliability. Simply apply a small blood sample and insert the strip into your compatible meter. You'll get fast and clear results in seconds. Take control of your health journey. Consistent and reliable testing with these strips empowers you to make informed decisions about your diabetes management. What we like. Get a generous supply of 100 test strips designed for accurate blood sugar readings. These are specifically made to work with certain glucose monitoring systems. If you already own a compatible Metene meter and need a reliable and cost-effective way to stock up on test strips, these are the perfect fit. What people say. These test strips work accurately and consistently with my Metene glucose meter. The pack comes with 300 test strips, which is a great value for the price. The strips are easy to use and provide accurate and reliable results. Number 1. iHealth Blood Glucose Test Strips, 50 count. Get precise blood sugar measurements with ease. These test strips are designed for reliable performance, ensuring you get the readings you need. Forget about manual coding. Simply insert a strip and get your results quickly. It's designed for your convenience. Specifically developed for individuals managing diabetes. Achieve accurate sugar measurement to help you stay on top of your health. This pack includes 50 test strips, providing you with an ample supply. Monitor your glucose levels consistently without frequent reordering. For optimal performance, please note that these strips are exclusively compatible with iHealth glucose meters. Ensure you have the right equipment for accurate testing. What we like. Ensure precise sugar measurements with these 50 count test strips that require no coding. They are designed to work exclusively with iHealth glucose meters. If you are an iHealth meter user seeking accurate, straightforward testing without the hassle of coding, these strips will provide the precision you need. What people say. These strips give me the closest reading to my DR of any brand I've used. Great product, never have I ever had a bad strip nor meter. It's simple to use and set up. The iHealth Blood Glucose Test Strips are an excellent choice for anyone managing their blood glucose levels. They offer accuracy and reliability, paired with a design that's simple and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.